NANI?!
Oh my god.
Are you looking for a high-quality, budget-friendly wireless microphone? The Biliwal wireless microphone might be just what you need. Whether you're a content creator, singer, or public speaker, this mic delivers clear, professional sound without breaking the bank. This microphone is designed for ease of use. Just plug and play. With real-time noise reduction, it ensures crisp audio, reducing background noise for a clean, professional sound. The long battery life allows for hours of uninterrupted recording, making it perfect for live streaming, vlogging, and interviews. The Biliwal wireless microphone connects seamlessly via Bluetooth or a receiver, offering stable transmission up to 65 feet. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you get reliable audio without interference. Plus, it's compatible with smartphones, cameras, and other recording devices. Plug-and-play simplicity. No need for extra apps or complex setups. Just plug in the receiver, turn on the mic, and start recording. Superior noise reduction built in. Intelligent noise cancellation blocks out background noise, ensuring clear and crisp sound even in noisy environments. Long battery life, with up to 6 to 8 hours of battery life. You can record multiple sessions without interruptions. Stable wireless connection. Enjoy. Seamless audio transmission up to 65 feet, away with zero delay or dropouts. Wide compatibility. Works with smartphones, cameras, laptops, and more. Perfect for different.
Okay, let's go. This is my new mic. I have 2 mics, but I don't know how to use it. My English is not better. Don't think about it. We have some tools here. This paper for instruction, this mic. This is my 2 mics. Let's go to how to use it. I want to watch the video. I'll come back soon. Wait. Okay, this is final look. I'll set up the microphone. This is a final look. I'm use Apple iPhone and I don't know how to use it. Let's try. Okay, this is I'm connected mic and let's see the difference. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Now my mic is out and let's see the difference. Hello, how are you? I am fine.
Live streamers and podcasters enjoy uninterrupted, crystal clear voice transmission. Educators and public speakers deliver lectures and presentations with enhanced audio clarity. Interviews and meetings Record seamless conversations without distractions, no matter where you are, indoors or outdoors. This microphone ensures top-notch sound quality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance wireless microphone, the Biliwal wireless microphone is the perfect choice. Get yours today and upgrade your audio game.
Okay guys, I think you enjoy my video, and please subscribe me and like my video and share my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.